We are in Wellen Park today at a new community called Gran Place. We are so excited to tell you about this community.
This community is going to only have 42 home sites and lots as large as 72 feet wide, semi-customable floor plans built by Sam Rodgers, who's also done homes in Greyhawk's Landing and also in Grand Paradiso that is close by to here.
Yes, he's truly a local builder. And the nice part about it is he's semi-customizable. So you can really make these floor plans your own, which we don't see a lot of with the builders in our area.
Yes, it gives you the opportunity to really make your home unique and build it to your taste.
Come take a look at this home. We're so excited to show it to you. All right, we're excited to show you this home. Sam Rodgers is a little newer for our area. He's only built in a few different communities here, mixed in with other builders. And so this is his first full development. They're gonna have 42 homes. And again, this is the Arcadia. You're looking at 3 bedrooms. And the nice thing about this home is you're roughly about 2,500 square feet under air, 3,600 square feet with the lanai. And the best part about this is these homes are semi-custom. So you get to move around walls when you go to the design center, truly make this your own home. So that's a really great feature compared to what you get with other builders. Now, Sam Rodgers is in the luxury space. You're looking at about $1 million for this home currently. All right, come take a walk through. Over on this side, you have your half bath. And I won't peep into the laundry room yet because that is one of those features that we saw recently that we really love. So you walk in, you've got this lovely open kitchen. I mean, this is just giving you all the coastal vibes, right? With the cabinet color, the countertops. Beautiful living space, and you have a dining room option off to the side, which is nice. And then this is your 3rd bedroom, or one of your 3 bedrooms, maybe the second one that we're seeing here now. And the awesome thing about this room is you have a door out to your pool area, which a lot of times we don't even see in master bedrooms. And here you're seeing it in one of the additional bedrooms. So such an amazing wow feature. This home really is stunning. You've got super high ceilings, just high-end finishes throughout. Let's go take a look at the master before we get to the pool. Again, a really good size master, and you have that door out to your pool area. Such a great feature in your Florida home. Now, let's take a look at the master bathroom. Really beautiful. And like we said before, it's got a great size closet. Wait till you see. Come on. And then it's got that connection into your laundry room. That is just such an amazing, convenient feature that I'm loving in some of these homes that we're seeing now. Throw all your dirty clothes in a hamper and then just bring it on through. So again, this brings you back to the entry. And let's go see that pool area. Lovely pool and spa, plus your outdoor kitchen. You're gonna have some really nice preserved lots in this community. It's yours to soak in.